In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your fiscal year-end date in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to adjust your accounting settings, this process is quite straightforward and will ensure your financial records align with your business needs. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your Chrome browser and navigate over to the QuickBooks Online website by entering the URL https://qbo.intuit.com. Once you've reached the site, it's time to log in. Use your registered email and password to access your account. If you're a regular user, QuickBooks might remember your login credentials, making this process even quicker. However, always ensure you're logging in on a private device for security reasons. Now that you're logged in, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings area of QuickBooks Online, where you can customize various aspects of your profile and company data. Under the Your Company section that pops up, click on Account and Settings. This section is crucial because it holds all the essential configurations related to your company's QuickBooks setup. Once you're in the Account and Settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and select Advanced. This is the area where you'll find multiple sophisticated settings, but today our focus will be specifically on the accounting section. You'll need to scroll down until you see this section. Remember, this is where you make changes that impact how your business accounts are structured, so proceed with consideration. When you reach the accounting section, you'll see an option to edit the fiscal year. Look for the little pencil icon next to this option. Click it to open your editing capabilities. Here, you'll be able to select the month that signifies the end of your fiscal year. For many businesses, this aligns with the calendar year, meaning December would be selected. However, some businesses may choose another month depending on their specific accounting needs. Once you've chosen the month that aligns with your fiscal requirements, don't forget to click Save to ensure all changes are recorded. With the changes made, it's important to verify everything is correctly applied to your system. Head on over to the Reports section found on your QuickBooks dashboard. From there, navigate to Profit and Loss and set the date range to your newly configured fiscal year. This step confirms whether the updates have been successfully activated and that your reports will reflect the revised fiscal period. And there you have it. That's how you can update your fiscal year and date in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you'll ensure your financial data is synced with your business timeline, allowing for more accurate reporting and analysis. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next tutorial.